As I looked through the MyStatLab gradebook for homework 3, I noticed that quite a few people missed homework 14. I'm sorry, question 14, so I wanted to go over that in a little video. So this question asks us to look at these three data sets and compare the standard deviations. The data set with the greatest sample standard deviation is the one where the values are going to be spread farthest out from the mean. Now all of these data sets are centered around the same number. They're centered around 7. Right? This one, even though there's no data close to 7, because it's symmetrical around 7, that's still going to be our mean. And here we're centered around 7 too. So this data set, number 2, is the one where we have the data values spread furthest from the mean. So that's going to have the greatest sample standard deviation. So that's answer B. Which data set has the least sample standard deviation? This is going to be the one with the data values clustered the closest to the mean. That's data set 3. Okay, and then our last part asks how the data sets are the same and how they differ. Now the answers here focus on 3 things. They focus on the mean, which we noted is the same for all 3 data sets. It's at 7. It focuses on the standard deviation, which we noted already changes from data set to data set. And it focuses on the range, which we can see is smaller for this data set than it is for the other 2. Okay, so how are they the same? How do they differ? The 3 data sets have the same range but different means. We know that they don't have the same range, and they do have the same mean, so that was definitely wrong. 3 data sets have the same mean but have different standard deviations. That's true. But just to make sure, let's check the other ones. The 3 data sets have the same range. Nope, that one's not true. The 3 data sets have the same standard deviation. Also not true. Okay, so our answer is B. And we're done.